Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 things every digital marketer in Africa must learn as a digital marketer or someone who wants to get into the digital marketing field. These 7 things are necessary, especially for we who are in Africa, who are in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Cameroon, name it, wherever you are, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, wherever you are. These 7 things are necessary for you to learn as a newbie. Now, digital marketing is a very broad field. Okay, so we're going to try to trim these things down so that you understand perfectly. Digital marketing is simply a form of marketing that is done via the internet or online. So when you hear digital marketing or when somebody says I'm a digital marketer, don't get confused or think it's something huge. No, it's simply marketing done online. Yes. So it's a simplified form of marketing that you do online. Simple. There are different branches or categories within the digital marketing space. We have the search engine optimization, search engine marketing, we have content marketing, we have social media marketing, which is the most common, the most popular everywhere. All right, content marketing and social media marketing. These two are, of course, the most popular everywhere. SEO is also popular, of course, very well, but most people who say that they are digital marketers, they are actually social media marketers because digital marketing is a very broad field. All right. So very many people are social media marketers. They don't know anything about SEO or how to do all this optimization or whatever. Most people don't even know about content marketing and how to build content structure, content calendar, content framework, and stuff like that. So find a field within the digital marketing space where you can play on and stay there, conquer that territory. Yeah. The first one, which I'm going to say, the first thing which I believe every newbie digital marketer should learn is how to run social media ads, most especially Facebook, Instagram. All right. Of course, YouTube, there's YouTube there. All right. There's YouTube, there's TikTok, there's Facebook, there's Instagram. Learn how to run these adverts. Okay. Understand the different ad objectives. There are different ad objectives. These objectives serve different purposes. So you have to understand these purposes, understand different objectives, understand how and when to apply each of these objectives. Learn how to analyze ads. When your advert is running, start bringing results. Look at your ads manager. Look at the results you are seeing, the dashboard, the data. Study the data. Learn how to analyze adverts so that it will help you in your sense of judgment. If you are able to analyze your advert well, you should be able to judge perfectly with accurate data and be able to get better results subsequently. All right. And you must learn how to scale your adverts. Okay. Either you scale vertically or horizontally. Simply learn how to scale your adverts. Learn at which percentage scale. At what level? Are you scaling at ad set level? Are you scaling at ad level? Where are you scaling at? So learn how to do these things. Learn everything you can about social media advertising. Hmm. See, you will make a lot of money. If the only thing you know how to do is to run adverts very well, you will make a lot of money. You will make thousands of dollars every month. If you learn, and it doesn't take time to learn. By the way, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are watching now and you're enjoying the video so far, give me a thumbs up. Just click that like button. It's free. You're not going to pay a dime to click it. So please click on that like button. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, kindly hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. Hit that bell icon so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I publish videos. All right. So, yes, like I was saying, if you learn how to run adverts effectively, you will never lack money. There are thousands of businesses looking for people to help them set up adverts. Every day, my DM, my mailbox, everywhere, people send me mail. Companies, businesses approach me via DM, via mails for me to set up adverts for them. My fees are expensive, right? Although I've stopped taking those kind of job, I don't. So I outsource them. So this is to show you that this field is huge. Businesses are looking for people who are going to help them make sales. And one of the ways to attract customers is via social media advertising, because everything happens here these days. Everything happens here on our phone, right? Everything happens on our phone these days. So people are scrolling through social media. Once you learn how to run adverts on social media and do it and get good results, you will make a lot of money. I promise you. The next thing I believe that you should learn as someone who is in digital marketing space is how to build sales funnel. Simple sales funnel, not the complicated ones, not all those ones, right? Simple sales funnel. Learn how to use the page builder tools. These things are drag and drop. Like for instance, learn how to use Stripe Architect, learn how to use Elementor. There's CAD. CAD is free. There's System.io. This is they have the premium and the free version. Learn, learn, dedicate time. 3 months is enough to learn and start crushing things. Whether you take that 3 months to learn it or not, the 3 months will come and it will pass. Why not calm down? Learn. When you learn, you can now begin to earn. After learning, the L becomes silent. You now take away the L and you begin to earn. So learning comes before earning. Learning comes before earning. I want you to comment that in the comment box. Learning comes before earning. Learn first, earn later. So learn how to build a sales funnel. It is simple. If you know how to build a sales funnel, people will come to you to build sales funnels for them. You can charge them. You can build them. You can even build um test or mock funnels, mock sales pages, and then use it to approach people. Hey, these are the stuff I've done. These are my works. If I can do this thing for you, I can give you better designs, I can give you better concepts, better ideas. They are going to pay you to handle theirs. Learn the concept of sales process and how to build a sales funnel. If you learn it, you are in money, right? Three, learn how to generate leads. Listen, a business that does not generate leads is a dead business. Every business runs on leads, traffic, leads. Learn how to generate leads. As a newbie digital marketer, you must understand that leads is something that you have to generate every day. If you don't have leads, you will struggle with sales. So learn how to generate leads using social media advertising, using any means at all, but just learn how to generate leads. Okay, very important. I need you that after watching this video, make sure you study more, do more research. Do more research. Look at the time I'm making this video. Right now in Nigeria, it's almost 2 a.m. 1:40, as you can see here, 1:40. So I'm still awake making videos for YouTube for you. And even before the videos, I was doing some research. I'm still researching some stuff, right? When I finish this video, I will still keep researching. By morning, early morning, I'll still wake up to go to work, to be at the office. It is your work. These are the things that's going to be giving you a lot of money, thousands of dollars monthly. Take it seriously. Fourth one, learn how to nurture your leads. Now, it is one thing to generate leads. It is another thing to nurture leads. Then the ultimate is to what? To close the leads. Close your lead, which is to convert these leads into paying customers, paying clients. If you don't nurture your leads, you will struggle with sales. Learn how to nurture leads. First of all, you learn how to generate leads. You can use different lead magnet method to generate leads. Then nurture them, give them information, feed them, nurture them, build that trust, build that likeness, build that familiarity with your brand, build that ease of communication between you and your leads, your prospects. When you nurture your leads well, many of them are going to buy from you. If you have leads that you nurture, every month you will not lack money. That is the truth. That is the simple principle of online marketing. Attract leads, generate leads, nurture leads, convert leads. Simple. Fifth one, learn how to do simple graphics using Canva. Right? I mean, you might just want to pull up something and post. Just learn how to do simple graphics. Let the graphic designers handle the more the more complex ones, or the ones that you want to use for different stuff. Yeah, but just ordinary simple graphics that you can post on your socials. Learn how to do it. At least you need to have an idea of how these things work. People are making a killing via Canva. People are making money. Like, people are making thousands of dollars every month by simply designing graphics for businesses using Canva. The templates are there. The framework has been made available for you. Do you understand me? The framework has been there. So you simply capitalize on it and then start making things happen. Learn these things. It is the good thing is that there are a lot of resources, a lot of free videos here on YouTube that will teach you how to do these things, right? However, I understand that these free videos can be confusing because there's a lot of them, so you don't know where to start and where to stop. That is why it is best that you get a course, a coach, a mentor, someone to show you the right step so that they can take you from beginning to the end without you getting confused with a lot of resources and a lot of videos. Learn how to do simple graphics using Canva. The sixth one, yeah, learn how to edit simple videos using apps like InShot, CapCut. I mean, these apps are making video work or video editing easier now. Put captions, do transitionings, yeah, add background sound. These simple things that used to be complex before. Right now, apps like InShot, CapCut, they have a lot of features. If you keep updating your app, you start seeing these features. Personally, me, I use the paid version of InShot. It is insane what InShot can do. Simple videos that you can just edit, put online for your business, attract prospects. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure you like it. Yeah, just hit that like button so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. And also share. Yes, please share, because there are a lot of digital marketers, newbies, who would find this video helpful. So yes, please feel free to share my video on your WhatsApp or your groups and everywhere. Learn how to edit simple videos using InShot, CapCut. There are a lot of apps like KineMaster. You know these apps. Learn how to use it. 7, learn how to sell. This is the ultimate. If you learn every other thing, if you learn all the skills in this life and you are unable to sell, you will remain broke. I'm sorry to say. Right? Selling is what brings the money. It is not knowing the skill. The skill, having the practical knowledge of the skill is good. Selling that skill is what will bring money to you. Once you learn how to sell, your life will change forever. You can learn how to sell with words, how to sell with video, whatever. Learn how to sell. The internet has made it easier. Social media has made it easier. Once you learn how to sell, you can learn how by running adverts to promote products or services. Get the first person to pay you, get the next person to pay you, get 10 people to pay you. From there, you can get 20, 40, 50, 100. Before you know what's going on, you have had thousands of people pay you. Learn how to sell, then learn how to inspire people to sell for you. Learn how to sell, then learn how to inspire people to sell for you. It is also sales, because for you to be able to convince people, to inspire people, to you know persuade people to sell for you, you have sold yourself to them, so they bought into your idea. Now they can sell your products or your services for you. Learn how to sell. The very day you learn how to sell, you sell to one person, 10 persons, 20 persons, your life will change for the better. Sales is the lifeblood of every business. Without sales, there is no business. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment. If you have any question, please ask me. If you are confused in any part of the video, watch it again. Ask me. I am more than happy to answer your questions, right? So yes, ask your questions, leave your comments. Follow me on social media. My name is Courage Ngele, across all platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, wherever. Courage Ngele. If you have any questions, please use the comment box and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.